If you have an Apple Watch Series 9 or an Apple Watch Ultra 2, this news is probably of interest to you. Apple has just reported to its official distributors that there is a problem with the screen of these two watches that could be reported by some users. This Apple notifies its distributors so that they can receive complaints from users and they can either change their watch or update it or correct it. Although at this time, Apple is in an investigation stage to find out the reason why the screens of these watches are failing. Although specifically it's the touchpad that is apparently failing because according to user reports, the screen at times starts to respond as if you're touching it even though it's not receiving any touch. And obviously that's quite annoying as it can trigger some unwanted actions and is even said to become active more frequently when a call is active. It's definitely something that could cause a lot of users to be annoyed, but it's appreciated that Apple is already aware of it and has notified their resellers so that they are able to give you good customer service, which I think is something that sets Apple apart a lot. This has been reported by the Mac Rumors site as it is a memo sent privately to Apple resellers, but has come to light thanks to this media. It is also said that Apple gives the recommendation to keep the software of your watch well updated to avoid such problems, so it could be that this problem is already fixed but is occurring specifically in users who do not have the update.